You have to strike right away.
Right away.
Yun, like continue. Mm.
Okay. And your hand is right there, yeah.
Here, the same.
Same?
Mm.
Sorry. I can't do the right.
Because this kind of strike, the real is you already hit the hand.
Or the hit the hand? Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Mm.
Because you're moving already. Okay.
This strike is very difficult to hit. Down, pull down.
Pull down. Then
Strike.
okay.
Mm.
So my hands here so I have to transfer.
Mm. No,
Okay.
no need to transfer.
It's just here.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay.
Because you're going to pull the strike back.
Okay.
Then with your strike. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
I got you. It's going to come through.
This is part of the strike.
Okay.
This